like sands through the hourglass. So are the days of Willy and Dawn's lives.
Good morning, everyone. On the Carnival Vista. Today we're here in Freeport. We don't have any plans. We're gonna wing this one. We're gonna go down. I'm gonna try to find an excursion. Like those guys down there, like, come with us, come with us. You jump in a car real quick. You don't know where you end up, maybe. I don't know.
Oh my goodness.
Don't miss Willy and Dawn, starring in Touristas. Coming soon. Rated R for retard.
But we're here in Freeport.
Yay.
Dawn, Jamie, are you guys ready?
Ready. Ready.
Let's do this. 2 pina coladas, 1 for each hand.
Whack.
I think Senior Frog had way too many cervezas. Look at that. I don't think he's feeling very well.
Oh my God, who the hell cares?
So we went to the excursion desk and they had a tour. The Glass Bottom Shark.
Bruh.
Reef Tour. Reef Tour. And I am hungry for some reason. Oh, they have ice cream.
Looks good.
Look at that. Wow. So the folks here are very warm and welcoming. In fact, we kind of got messed up. We went and paid at the register when you're supposed to go to the fountain first. So she came out. She's like, I apologize. You guys want anything on the house? And we're like, no, that's our mistake because we did it backwards.
I did it backwards.
So if you come here, go to the soda fountain, the jerk, soda jerk first. Get your ice cream, then go pay for it. It makes sense. I think we were backwards. Anyways,
I'm just gonna take the scoop of this
out of the center here.
I guess I got strawberry.
I want to try the vanilla, right? So this is hand dipped ice cream. Very vanilla-y, right? A lot of vanilla. The whipped cream is present. The whipped cream, oh, I can't talk. There is a banana down in there. That's good to know, right? Try the strawberry ice cream.
Who wants a cherry? I'm gonna take the cherry.
Dawn always gets the cherry.
Oh my God!
So much banana though, man. I want to get into the banana. And there's that banana.
Nice.
And breakfast is served, and I'm hungry this morning. I think it's probably the most hungriest I've been. Had all morning. I got potatoes and bacon. Dawn looks like she's got some croissants and some ham and cheese, watermelon. And Jamie's got some bacon and a little bit of sausage, huh?
I started already.
Tastes good.
Oh, look, it's an elephant.
An elephant!
Oh my god, I can feel the heat.
Yep.
Yeah. Already.
Yeah. Freeport Harbor. I got some Bob Marley stuff.
Freeport Bahamas.
You would think it's funny.
This one's got footprints in the sand in it.
It's got a little bit of sand,
With the upstairs dancer.
a little bit of
Upstairs
Bahama
neighbor.
sand.
Yeah.
I'm happy for sharks.
I hope we see one.
I hope I see 20.
Whack.
Dawn is playing fishdom while she's waiting for a shark tour.
What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do?
Dawn, you're in Honduras.
Yeah, okay.
What do you think?
Looks like an island. You want to talk about underprivileged people? Me.
Honduras? Yeah, Honduras is a pretty big country. It's not real big. Dawn's like,
Over there, look how tall with the big glass in it.
it must be.
I wonder if that's a restaurant.
No.
What? Jamie, too shy, you know?
Tell you what to do. Take it to the zoo.
This bum gotta say that.
All right, back it up. Hey, Rob,
What?
remember what I told you?
What'd you tell me?
Take it to the zoo.
Playing fishing. What
Internet,
level are you on?
I don't know, 1.3, 1.85 after 8 years.
The Get to Know Ya bus. Yeah, Get to Know Ya bus. Get to Know You bus.
It is too.
Getting to know you, getting to know all about you, getting to like you, getting to hold you like me.
I see you in there. Hello. Hello there.
Hello.
What you up to? Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Do not touch or feed the birds. They will bite. You wouldn't bite anybody, would ya? Would you bite anybody? Why are you biting people? Because they don't feed you fast enough? Is that what it is? You think so, huh? Oh, really? Yeah, oh, wow. So we got a talker here, huh? Yeah. So you're telling me that you had a bad rap. You don't actually bite. But you had a bad rap, huh? Really? Wow. Well, maybe we'll come back later on and hang out a little bit, right? Okay, buddy. What? We're good looking, or are you good looking? We're trying to do some little commentary here. So yeah, we got a bunch of comedians over here. I'm trying to do a vlog here, buddy. Bruh.
He said shut your mouth.
You told me to shut my mouth?
I seen help.
What? Oh, these birds are crazy.
Hello.
You got a friend in there? Or is it just you?
Hello.
Well, hello. I see ya. Are you Crazy Bird? Glass Bottom Boat.
Or see some sharks, I hope.
I hope so. See a couple sharks. That'd be pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool.
Let's see that in an instant replay.
Yeah, for a little bit. Just make some space for them to sit. Up front here, where the white is on the door there. That's your restroom. All day on me because I'm feeling good. But I won't be naming my phone to you because you won't be seeing them anyway.
Oh man, they are really expensive to repair.
Hey Don, there's your sponge.
Hi Jessica, how are you? Into that 45 feet now. You see the
Oh, there's a shark.
all the way down.
There's a shark down there.
45 feet. Look right down there. What do you see down there? See the shark?
There's a shark. Oh man. So what did you think?
It was good. Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Very cool, very cool.
It was great. I liked it.
That's put upon the young man now. Will you listen to it?
So I had to buy a souvenir from the guy who was making them. He signed the bottom of it. Look at that. It's called the Wise Warrior. And it's a walking stick. The Wise Warrior. What do you think of that? He was making them in there, and he signed the bottom. Of course, I got a little video of him doing that. The Wise Warrior. Yeah. Now let's see if they let me on the ship with it. I'd be like, that's a weapon, dude.
He's got a knife.
That's not a knife. That's a knife.
Now they had one in there. If you ever come to the port, ask the folks that own that stand. What's it called again? It's always on her mind. Have them show you that one. Just saying.
I got a picture of it.
Oh, you got a picture of it?
The one sticking out his tongue is interesting.
Welcome home. Now I'm gonna harass everybody with it.
As cool as it is, it's not my thing.
Got teethers.
Yeah.
It's exactly 5 o'clock. I looked over at where it's always 5 o'clock. I thought that was funny.
Whack.
Of course, I'm just gonna wear this. I look pretty snazzy though, don't I?
Yeah.
I think, bruh, it'll work for tonight to get in there. You guys ready?
Ready.
We got 10 minutes to get there. And then down here they have a creme brulee and a pina colada. Dawn got the lobster tail. Wow. Well, I know you've eaten lobster before. I can't have it at all. And Jamie, you got the prime rib. I got the prime rib as well. So.
And now it's time for Willy, the Caesar salad expert, where he'll be the judge, and that plate better not be hot.
I have my Caesar salad. Okay. What are you guys laughing about? So my Caesar salad is here, and spinach salad is really, really good.
It tastes pretty good though. You want some?
No.
I don't know.
And now, it's time for sexy soup. Oh yeah, baby.
Oh yeah, look at that.
It's hot.
Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. It's coming though. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh boy, I got mine before you.
I know, you're special. I think I got mine well done.
Little
so
green beans. Oh boy. Mashed potatoes. That's your lobster tail.
So you have au jus sauce?
Oh, yeah.
Pour it on, thank you.
And Dawn also ordered the salmon. Lobster tail and salmon. Wow, what a lucky girl.
Talk to me, Harry Winston. Tell me all about it.
A little bit in the butter. How is it?
It's okay.
That was good.
Oh my God!
In my life, and it's gonna be alright. And it's gonna hey. I'm just gonna shake. Yeah. Our dessert is here. Look at that.
It's got
Wow.
blueberry or raspberry in it, and I don't know what that is.
So you got the same thing, but you got some ice cream.
Yeah, I like my ice cream.
And then you got the creme brulee.
Creme brulee.
Do a little dance. Make a little love. Get down the night. Yeah. Get down the night. Yeah.
No, thank you. Playing with your food again.
I am playing with my food. Uh-oh, Dawn's giving a face.
I don't know what that is.
You gotta shake it like this. Do a little dance. Make a little love. Get down the night. Yeah. Get down the night. Yeah. We put the camera down after dinner for the rest of the evening and just enjoy the ship for ourselves. We do have a new mascot on this channel.
Yay.
He doesn't have a name yet. We do know he's a warrior, and he's a
Oh, a warrior something.
It's been party. It's been dancing and eating and everything else.
The warrior's got teeth.
The warrior has teeth. Which means we're in the middle of the Atlantic. I've never done that.
I don't think any of us have.
I don't know if I've ever been to theater. I don't know. Maybe I have, but we're gonna call it a night because we're just pooped. And I don't know how much footage I have for today's video. I don't know if this is a long video. I don't know if this is a short video. But I do know that we had a full day. We saw sharks. Bruh. But folks, that's gonna do it for tonight here on the Carnival Vista. Tomorrow's our last full day. We're gonna eat some food, do some water slides, and watch this. If you guys like this vlog,
A thumbs up.
please subscribe so you don't miss these upcoming cruising adventures. And until next time,
Thanks for watching.
Bye everyone. Think of a name for this guy.
Attention Yank My Woo fans. We are proud to present the all-new Icons collection.
Icons.
Only for the most refined collector of Willy items. If you would like to support my channel, at least I'm giving you a high-quality t-shirt, not a postcard from my travels that I may not ever send. They're perfect for running errands, avoiding the paparazzi, conducting fine food reviews, hosting your own meet and greets, even getting a little facial work done. Reviews are calling it. I hope to run into him while wearing this. We have multiple new designs to choose from, featuring iconic moments from our episodes with original artwork.
I'm impressed with the beef. Mm-hmm. You know, I'm impressed with the beef.
You want to tell one of the privileged people? Me.
It's time for everyone's most overly confident history professor. Cultivated, refined, and allegedly proficient, he's ready to educate you. It's History Lessons with Willy.
There's a little Slimer up there. They even have a light pole in here. I don't know where that came from, but It's howdy doody time.
Say, kids, what time is it?
Call now before Willy sues my behind. Operators are standing by. Link below.
Yank My Woo merchandise should be worn responsibly. We are not held liable for unwanted staring from strangers, sudden fame, paparazzi encounters, or people asking if you know Willy personally. Side effects include looking amazing and supporting accountability comedy. Do not taunt Willy while wearing merchandise. Keep away from cruise buffets. If shirt causes excessive compliments, that's normal.
Icons.